Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a hopping frog out of nothing but an index card. So what you need for this is just a regular old index card. The first thing you're going to want to do is lay your card down line side up. The next step is to take this corner and you're going to fold it all the way over to this side of the index card. Just like that. Make sure you give it a nice good crease. Perfect. Now we're going to unfold that fold and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to take this corner and we're going to go all the way down to this side. Just about like that. Give it a nice good crease. Very good. And we're going to open that up again. So what we're left with is an X. I don't know if you can see, but there's an X right here where we made our creases. This is the trickiest part of the whole thing. We're going to take our fingers and we're going to pinch the sides of the X together so that the two triangles on either side come together in the middle. Then we're going to push that down. Now, we're going to take this shape, this shape up here that's the top of the triangle, and we're going to push that down too. We're just going to flatten it, just like that. We're going to flatten it and we're going to line it up so that the triangles line up with each other. Okay. So once we've done that, we're left with sort of a house shape. Now that we have our house shape, we're going to take these 2 points of this triangle and we're going to fold them up to this point so they meet in the middle. Just like this. We're going to do one, and we're going to do the other. Alright. So now we have a house, but the house has a diamond shape up top. Now that we have this shape, we're going to take these 2 sides and we're going to fold them in to the middle. So we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it in to the bottom of this diamond. We're going to fold it, make it nice and straight, and we're going to flatten it down, just like that. We're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to take this corner and we're going to go into the middle. Just about like this. There we go. Alright, now that we've done that, we're going to take the bottom and we're going to fold it all the way up so it lines up the middle of this diamond shape. So this corner and this corner, we're going to fold this all the way up, just like this. Perfect. Now, for the last fold, we're going to take this top of the square. See, we made this little square right here? I'm going to take the top of this square and we're just going to fold it down to the bottom of the square. Just like that. Nice and tight. Alright, now we've done it. I like to open it up a little bit, so I'll pull this part out a little bit, and I'll pull these 2 things down just a little bit. And now, we have our little frog, our little note card frog. The cool thing about this origami is that when you push it on the back, it hops. See how far you can get yours to hop. Oh, that one did a flip. Sometimes they flip, they can hop over things, they can hop over each other sometimes. Oh, there we go. Feel free to decorate your frogs. I decorated these 2 with some colored pencils. You can make them however you want, and you can make as many as you want too. You just have to start out with a plain old index card. I hope that you had fun watching this video, and I hope that you get hopping right to making your own frog. See you next time.